So Ripples is a play by Tracy Harris. It was originally written for the new season at Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama, and didn't end up having a public performance because of the current circumstances. And we're very lucky that NTW, the Sherman, and BBC Cymru have given us the opportunity to restage this in an online format. But the play itself is set around 8 people who are attending an addiction rehabilitation centre, and they practice specific psychodrama therapy exercises. And when we started this process, myself and Tracy, in terms of conceptualising the play, we were chatting, and Tracy said to me that she felt like we were living in a broken world, and that was way before everything that's happening right now. And I definitely agreed with that, and we thought it would be interesting to explore the idea of where are the safe spaces in a broken world, or at least where do we perceive the safe spaces to be, and what do we try and do to fix ourselves. And that an addiction rehabilitation centre felt like the best place to have 8 people from completely different backgrounds and completely different experiences to react off each other and to try and get through a healing process together. And that we kind of came to the conclusion that the play very much is about connection as well as isolation and community, and that when you feel like you're living in a broken world, or that you are inherently broken in loads of different ways, that the best way to kind of exist is through connection to other people, through empathy, through community. So the play very much has become about that.